No, I've got a, I don't know if you know what they are. You know what Braytex are?
No.
So they're Thunder Bees that use blanks.
Oh shit?
Yeah, so I've got 2 of those here.
The 5 cores or some shit?
Huh?
Were you the guy that has 5
yeah.
cores for Thunder Bee? Okay.
Well, I'm one of the guys that has 5. I've got like 4 or 5 now.
Okay. Oh, that's right, you used one.
I know. I'm overcredited too. I can I just don't
Give me like some Tool or some Creed, some dad rock to soothe these nerves.
Oh, wow. I'm 6 feet. Dude, Tool? I fuck up some Tool right now.
I was listening to some Tool on the way here.
On God, bro. 46 and 2 came on?
Yeah.
Ooh, I'm getting hyped. Throwing some, a little system will go down also.
Oh, yeah. Hey, you go throwing this Dragon pack for me?
Yeah, I got you.
Come on, yo.
Shut up. You guys like that?
No, I'm tweaking.
Oh shit.
Y'all ready to have some fun on the right side?
No.
Yeah.
Look it up.
I'm scared. I'm
put
excited.
someone in a sleeper
I'm
hole.
bringing the pistol. I'm bringing the pistol. No AR.
Alright, we'll send him first.
Fuck
Yeah.
you.
Give him the bomb.
I'll fucking.
Yeah, for real.
No, dude. I'm fat. I can't run.
That's okay.
No.
Hey, there's no rules against holding a bomb in front of you like a shield.
That's bullshit.
My homie's like 5'5", 300 pounds. He still gets going. No, I swear to God, bro.
I literally told everyone that, dude, fat people and paintball and airsoft are the fucking fastest motherfuckers.
Dude, it's
to move.
so weird.
They're like so good apparently. Like I don't know. They're like the biggest objects, but like they move so fast.
The biggest object is wild, bro.
The most immovable of objects.
Yeah. Apparently, he's also an unstoppable force.
Hell yeah. Alright, hey, we're all gonna go on this right side.
Yeah.
He and I are gonna kind of cut in a little more.
On your Marine?
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll get your.
What?
I expect you to kill everyone.
Why did you
Oh,
say
they're set up.
that?
They're set up.
Because you're just like that
Hey.
kind of guy.
They're set up. There's a dude on
Yeah,
the triangle.
I see one.
Right, yeah. Or on the left of that.
Yeah, yeah.
Is that your real gun?
Huh?
That's a real gun. Is that a real gun? Oh, it's a real knife.
Swap the chain.
Oh yeah, no, the knife is
Are you
real.
gonna throw that?
Fuck no.
Dude, that'd be so cool if you fucking wall bang.
Just have it skip and hit someone.
Yeah, the kill cams.
Insurance doesn't cover it, but it's cool.
Don't call blind man. Don't call blind man.
Go. Alright, hey, there's one gonna fire at you. Heads up.
Oh shit.
Hey, there's one going towards middle kill house.
Where's he at?
You got 2 on the right still.
Going?
Hey, there's one going. Hey, behind these fucking plywoods right here. Yeah, he's sticking his barrel out.
Yo, I'm gonna cut through.
Hey, you got another one going right.
I'm gonna cut through. Yeah, come on, move up.
Nick! To this way! Hey, hey, we've got one in this building.
Hey, right, left, left.
Left, Nick, on you, Nick! Nick, you've got some swinging out middle left! Hey, he's in the shipping container. One of the windows.
I see him, I see him.
Which window, left or right?
Right, very far right.
Heard that.
Oh, he dropped down.
Hey, he's in the door, left door.
Yeah. Still in there.
Yeah, he's in left window.
He's in the middle window right now.
Yeah.
Hit. Okay, straight. Keep through the... One this way. One more.
Oh, I guess not.
My bad about that. I didn't know who you were.
Everyone anyway.
That is game! Nicely done, attackers! You got that bomb planted and it went off.
Fighting.
Airsofters, gather up over here. Please
shit.
bring the bomb and secure you. Thanks very much.
Y'all on the right side. Good job. Fucking great job. Pound it.